Hey, Chris here. I'd like to take you on a walkthrough of my latest product, Hello Lovely Fashion Creator. In a few simple steps, you can make your own fabulous creations and personalized products just with a few clicks of mouse. Let me show you how.
You'll be amazed at how easily you can customize your own character and design stunning gowns, high heels, and purses just by turning on and off layers in Photoshop. Each girl comes with 7 different skin tones, 7 eye colors, 5 hairstyles, 5 hair colors, 14 skirts in 4 colors and 3 sparkle options, 7 tops with 4 colors and 3 sparkle options, and she has 5 different jewelry options. There are 3 different purse designs in 3 colors and 3 sparkle options. There are many different high heel options to choose from. You can choose the color and the sparkle, of course. With 3 girls and hundreds of variations in skin tone, eye color, hairstyle, and hair color, you can make many different ladies. Mix and match the top and bottom of a dress, with or without 3 sparkle options to create a ton of different styles of your very own. You can make high heels and purses just like you made the girls by turning on and off layers. There's 6 high heel styles in 4 color options and 3 sparkle options. There are also 3 purse styles in 3 colors and 3 sparkle options. Hello Lovely Fashion Creator is a package full of all the things you'll need to make customized ultra-feminine characters and accessories that are perfect for creating branding, a customized bag collection, or even adding some glam to your website or blog. Fun and fancy personalized gifts, wrapping paper, party supplies, bridesmaids invites, and so much more. You'll easily master designing stylish stationery or custom fabrics without even having to draw a line. The options are endless. Thank you so much for watching this video and enjoy playing dress up with this fabulous fashion creator.